All right, everybody, so I've got something of a bittersweet, viney, deep root problem in my rock wall, and I'm going to sort of catalog us going through and taking it down, getting all the roots out. So I'm on day 2 of my removal, and I'll show you where I'm at right now. So this is the rock wall right now, and you can see there's just these deep rooted plants that come all the way through, and they're running up all the way through the garden, so we have to take the whole thing down. So this is a pretty deep pit here, and you can still see that it's just digging way down, and this is already a couple feet deep. More of it here. We're gonna repurpose these rocks because we're actually gonna just turn this into a slope instead of a hard wall. This is part of that big chunk that we took out. I mean, this stuff, I don't even know how long it's been growing. Here's another one. And it just has these massive root systems and just a couple feet above the ground, but just absolutely insane root systems. And there's more. You can see it just breaks off if you yank on it too much, and the part that you break off just keeps growing. All right, here's something. I just dug up this mineral or rock here. It looks like it's got some mica on it. Camera's not really picking it up, but it's got some serious shine on it. I'm gonna wash it off, see what it looks like. All right, here we are. It's very interesting. All right, so we're about 8 hours into our garden wall teardown project, and I'll show you where I'm at right now. So to this point, we sort of have about half the wall taken down. We have another half to go. I have some nicer stones set aside that were part of a fire pit that was here when we bought the house. That's all the rocks I've pulled out so far. Probably start another pile here. But we're making pretty good progress. So this here is some of the stuff I've pulled out already, like all these colored weeds. This stuff was actually ripped out from the same garden last summer. This is all the stuff we tore out from underneath the wall. All right, here's a nice one. Still going. It's gotta be, I don't know, 9 feet, maybe close to 10 feet. With 7 or 8 of that feet out of the ground. And it's just growing into these bushes here and just choking it all out. Update. We're almost done. I've been out probably 3.5 hours now. So we're about 12 hours in to the whole project. After I get the rest of the wall down, we're gonna take out the plants we want to keep from up here. There's a couple of good ones, as you can see. Then we're just gonna dig this out and just grade it down. All right, so we're about 12 hours in now. And we've already started to grade down this part of the hill here. So we just need to wrap up this. I'm gonna try and do that today. All right, we're about another couple weeks into our rock wall removal project. The last time we checked in, there was still some cemented rock here that we sledgehammered out. And we've got the rest of it graded out pretty nice. And we started to put flowers and some shrubs in. Started to use some of the rock pile from the rock wall. We got a fire pit going in here. And then we got a nice stone staircase here. And then a rock wall coming up through the basement. So the next thing we have to get down is the mulch. And we have a couple more flowers to put in, but it's gonna be pretty cold tonight. So we're gonna hold off on that until tomorrow morning. And then once those flowers are in, we'll get the mulch in. Okay, so we're getting into fall here and we've pretty much completed our rock wall tear down project, and I'm just gonna walk you through it. So we're just gonna start back over here. Nothing much new. Bed's gonna go here. We're probably gonna do some sunflowers or something like that. You got this rock wall wrapping around here. The stone staircase. We used up all the rocks. Fire pit's there. We used the fire pit a couple times. And we have mulch down in the bed here. I was a little short on the mulch, so we're just gonna hit that in the spring with some fresh mulch.